Right. So yesterday we have to discuss the sets and set to relay, set to Cartesian product. After Cartesian product, we discuss the relation. After relation, we discuss the function. Function conditions must be remembered. Two conditions for function. Good morning, Amit. So two for conditions for function. What are the two conditions? So in that one, first one is the A set. This is the A set elements and this is the B set elements. So all elements of the A set is represented by X letter and all letters of the B set is represented by the letter of Y. So A set is called a domain set and B and this is called pre-image. This is called pre-image. Pre-image. This is called pre-image and this is called image. Image. This is called codomain. This is the codomain. This is the codomain. So relation elements are called range. Relation elements are called range. Relation elements are called range. This is the range, only range. So range is subset of codomain or equal to codomain. Range is subset are equal to codomain. So range is subset are equal to codomain or equal to codomain. Next, what is the conditions of function is every element of A set have the images in the B set. Every element of A set have the images in B set. So every element of A set 1, 2, 3, 4. So every element of A set have the images in B set. So Y and 3. It is not a function. One element have no image. One element have no image. Therefore, it is not a function. So now I will write not function. Not function. Okay, na? Is not a function. Every element of A set 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the B set. So these all elements are represented by simple letter is the X. All 1, 2, 3, 4, all elements are represented by set builder form is the X letter. All images are represented by X, Y, Z. All are represented by simply set builder form by Y only. So B is the elements A, B, C. Okay, na? So 1 have A, 2 have B, 3 have B, 4 have C. It is a function. It is a function. First condition is range is subset of domain. No. Range is subset of codomain only. Range is subset of codomain only. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see. It is a function. By the first condition, every element have in A set, in the domain set, every element have. So every element of A set have the images in the B set. Therefore, it is a function. Okay, na? Next, second condition is, okay, na? Two images never have one pre-image. Two images never have one pre-image. So here, one image have one pre-image, one image have two pre-images, no objection. Two images never have one image. So for example, I will draw one figure. Two images never have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here see A, B, C, D, E. So A and B both have the one image. Two images have one pre-image. It is not a function. Not function by the second condition. Not function by the second condition. Understand? Two images never have one pre-image. Two images have one pre-image means it is not a function. Two pre-images have one image, no objection. Two images never have one pre-image. These two conditions should be remembered for the function only. Okay, na? Right. Next, this is the completed function. Last class only I will explain these all points. In what is the recording video I will send. These all points are there in that recording video. Right. I go through my everyone you have to tell. So this is the most important topic and a simple topic also. Everyone must be joined. Uh, some members are not joining, means network problems, or we are calling for network problem. These you should be tried. Network problem is it should be tried. Definitely one time it will be touched. This is the most important topic. Don't neglect this topic. If you are neglect mean further we have the limits and derivatives everywhere, continuity everywhere function will come. At that time, sir, not listen means we can't help. Okay, na? So that's why everyone intimate to join class immediately. Okay, na? This is the most important topic. This is the related with continuity, limits and derivatives and application of derivatives. That's why I'm telling. Okay, na? Right. Everyone observe. So real function. So now this is the starting in the recording video. It will be cut. For real function, everyone see function symbol is symbol of function is the f. F is the symbol of function. Symbol of function. F is the symbol of function. And two dots is the symbol of mapping or function. Symbol of mapping. Symbol of mapping. Symbol of mapping. So F map, F is the projector. How it is working is telling two dots. So two dots is telling that function is sending the focus. Symbol of mapping. Okay, na? So A is the domain set. A is the domain set. A is the symbol of domain set. Its all elements are represented by the set builder form by X. And from A, it will come the focus. This is the arrow focus. So A, so moving to A, from A to B. B is the codomain, that means images, A images are in B. This is the symbol of codomain. It is the symbol of, this is the symbol of domain. So this is the, now I will write, this is the function symbol. So this is the, now real function mean F is the symbol for function. So this is the mapping. R is the domain to R is the domain. If so, R is the domain, R is the real number, two real numbers. Real number to real number is called as a real function. Is called a real function. Is called a real function. Okay, right? F is a mapping from R is a domain to R. Okay, na? Domain to domain. So that is a codomain also R, domain also R. Therefore, it is a real function. Real functions are what we have to discuss the real function. What are the real functions? See, this is the function. This is the function definition. This is the function. So function should be represented like this one. This is the real function. So domain also R, codomain also R. Then only we say that it is a real function. Okay, na? Next, what are the real functions? We have to discuss the real functions. So one is a constant function, right? Everyone see. So we are going to discuss the real functions. What are the real functions? See, one is the constant function. Constant function means either it is parallel to x-axis or it is parallel to y-axis. So first real function number one. So constant types of the real functions. Types of Types of real functions. Types of real functions. So what are the real functions here? What are the real functions here? So constant function. Constant function. So the what is the constant function is the line is parallel to either x-axis or it is a parallel to y-axis, then it is called as a constant function. Now see, I will draw the figure. Everyone see. So y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x. This f of x value is the k constant. So for example, I will take the vertical line. This is the horizontal line. So this is the x and the x dash. This is the horizon. This is the x. This is the y to y dash. Okay, na? For example, y value I will take 2. So y value is 2 mean. So this is the 2. I will draw the x values are same. Y values are different. Y value is the only one. X values are different. X is equal to 2. K only. X is equal to 1. K only. X is equal to 3. X values are different X values, but Y value is the fixed. Therefore, this is called Y is equal to 2 is a constant function. Constant function Y value is given. It is always parallel to X axis. X values are different. X value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But Y value for all values is the same. X value also 1, Y value is a 2. X value is a 2, Y value is a 2. X value is a 3, Y value is a fixed, no change. X value is a minus 1, Y value is a 2, no change of the Y value. So X values is changing, but Y values are not changing. That is called as a constant function. This is a one of the real function because of we take the all the x real values, all x real values, but y is the fixed. So domain of constant function is domain of the function is all the real numbers. Domain of the function is all the real numbers, but range of the function is only one value, that is the constant value. Only one value, that is the constant value. Is it clear, everyone? Only one value, that is the constant value. Is it clear? So this is called, so constant, one of the real function. Second real function, always remember, y value is a fixed, that is called as a constant function. X values are different, y value is a fixed. Okay, na? So one of the next second one is modulus function. Second one is the modulus function. If y changes, then x is a constant. Yes, very good. So y changes, x is a constant. It is also constant function, but in terms of y. So constant function in terms of y. Is it clear, Nachal? It is also y changes, x is the fixed. So that is also constant function, but it is the reverse of the function. X is equal to f of y function. X is a f of y function. It is also constant function. Okay, na? Right. Next one, modulus function. Modulus function. Modulus function. What is the modulus function? Already it came for examination also. Modulus function is the V shape. Modulus function is the V shape. So I will draw the modulus function. So this is the modulus function. Okay, na? So this is the modulus function V shape. It going to the like this one, and it going to the like this one. Okay, na? So this is called a modulus function. Y dash and x dash. So y is equal to f of x is a modulus x. That means x values are different. X values are different. Understood, sir. Okay. X values are different, but Y value is the positive. That's why Y value is a negative, not came in, not came. Okay, na? Not came. Y negative values not came. Only positive values is came. X is equal to 1, 0. Y value also 0. X is equal to 0. Then automatically Y value also 0. So X is equal to 1. Y value also 1. X is equal to 2, Y value also 2, same values only. X is equal to minus 1, Y value is only plus 1. Y value is the only plus 1. Okay, na? So this is called modulo. X values are taking different values, but Y value is the only getting positive value. Y value is only getting positive value. X value we are taking the different values, but we are getting the Y value is a positive. Therefore, always 0, 0 place, 1, 1 place, 2, 2 place, 3, 3 place, 4, 4 place, 5, all values like this one. Okay, na? Right, all values like this one. We should be draw the domain of the function is all the real values, all the real values. What is the function is, what is the function is modulus. So what is the range of the function is? Range of the function always getting the positive value. Range of the function we are getting always positive values. Always positive values. Okay, na? Positive real. Half is taking, half will come. Minus 1, minus half we can take, plus half only we can come. Only positive values is coming. Therefore, one of the real function is the modulus function. Right. Next one is identity function. Identity function. Next one right now. Identity function. Identity function. Identity function. Identity function. What is the identity function? Everyone observe. What is the identity function is? So before modulus function definition, everyone have na modulus function. Modulus x idea we have na modulus x is same x will come for positive x value. Okay, na? Say modulus of minus x, same minus x is come with negative value. Okay, na? So for less than 0, x is less than means negative. X greater than 0, inequality I will tell. X is always positive. X less than 0 means always x negative. So x value same negative x came with the minus. Okay, na? Modulus x, everyone have idea. Right. Definition we have idea, na? Right. Identity function. What is the identity function is? Identity function means, everyone see, y is a function, y is a codomain. It is the I of x, means same x will come. I of x means same x will come. I of x is same x will come. So identity is represented by the letter of I. So I of x is equal to x means identity also one of the function. F place is we take I letter identity function. So this is the A to A. So what are the domains? Same codomain. What are the domains? Same codomain. That is called identity function. What is the figure of identity function, sir? Here we can see x is equal to 0, y is equal to I of 0, same element 0 only. X is equal to 1, I of 1 is the same 1, that is equal to 1. X is equal to 2, I of 2 is the same 2, that is equal to 2 only. I of 2 is the same 2. That is the 2 only. See, x is equal to 2, y is equal to I of 2 is the same 2 only. Okay, na? Same 2 only. Here also I of 1. I of 1 is equal to same 1 only. I of 0 is the same 0 only. Is it clear, everyone? So, and similarly, all the values here x is equal to -1, y is equal to I of -1 is the same -1. No change. Okay, na? So I have, that means x and y values are, x and y order pairs are, x is equal to 1, y also 1. X is equal to -1, y also -1. X is equal to 0, y also 0. X is equal to 2, y also 2. X is equal to -2, y also -2. These are the order pairs. Okay, na? These are the order pairs. Now it is clear, everyone. These are the order pairs. Therefore, the identity is the same field. See, the identity is here. I of x is I of x. I is the positive. All positive values are coming. I is the positive. X is the positive. Y also positive. Now extend. X is the negative. Y also negative. Okay, na? X is the negative. Y also negative. This is the second one. This is the called as a identity function. This is y is equal to x line. This is y is equal to minus x line. Okay, na? So this is the y and y dash, and this is the x and x dash. That is the. So this is called identity function. This is identity y and x values are same. Y and x values are same. Y and x values are same. Y is the negative values. Y x value we take negative. Y also negative. Now we can get the same value. So y is equal to minus x. Negative values are came. So that is the representation of the identity function. Okay, na? Yes, straight line. Graph is the straight line only. Okay. Graph is the straight line only. Okay, na? Right. Identity function also completed. One of the real functions is completed. Going through the next signum function. Already we discussed signum function, and we have to discuss this signum function already. Before only discuss one time. I will discuss that one signum function, and next one is logarithmic function, exponential function, greatest integer function, least integer function, fractional function. I will discuss periodic function. I will discuss. Next, I go through the types of the functions. Okay, na? Like, then we go through the exercise. Just we have to be listen these points only. Okay, na? So these all are. So because of in limits and everywhere calculus is came is all function. We say that modulus function, limit of the modulus function. Modulus function means V shape upside only. Therefore, only positive values will come. Identity function, all values are equal, x and y are equal. So that type of the, how can you do the limits, and we can see in that one. Just I will tell identity function. That's why types of the real function we should be read one time. So not by hearting is not necessary. One time we can be read. That's enough. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see. First one is the logarithmic function. Logarithmic function. Logarithmic function. I will tell logarithmic function. So here logarithmic function is right. See the logarithmic function, everyone. So what is the logarithmic function is y is equal to log of x basis a. Basis a. Y is equal to log of x basis a. Here, so we have so this is basis, we have the two conditions. Base have the two conditions. One condition is base have the two conditions. What is the two condition? A base is always positive below 1. Always positive. No question of negative. The graph a base is always positive less than 1. Base is not equal to 0 and above 0. Base is not equal to always not so compulsory not equal to 1, but it is greater than 1. It is the greater than 0. Sorry, greater than 0. This is the condition for the base of the logarithmic function. Base of the logarithmic function. Okay, na? This is the what is the logarithmic function, sir? Two conditions is there na? So basing that one, the graph is a is base is greater than 0, base is greater than 0. Here base is greater than 0, base is greater than 0. So base is greater than 1. So, sorry, here is put 1. Base is greater than 1. Base is greater than 1. Base is greater than 1. It go through like this one. 1, 2 like this one. This is the 1 point. So 1, 2 like this one, it goes through the. So it is in the form of, this is the, so graph of the A is greater than 1. A is less than 1, automatically reverse order of the graph. Reverse order of the graph. Okay, na? Reverse order of the graph. This is the 1. So this is the y dash and x dash. This is the x. Okay, na? This is the graph of log x. Have the two graphs. If the base is greater than 1, how it is lies between 0 to 1, sir? First one is first condition below 1. First condition below 1. Below 1. Second condition above 1. Two conditions we take. Above 1. Above 1 means it is the graph of this one. It is going on. X values is the above 1. X values is the above 1. So, okay, na? Above 1. How it is lies between two conditions. I will write two conditions. One is less than 1 condition. One is greater than 1 condition. Two separate condition, not equal condition. Understand this point? So one is a separate, another one is a separate. This is the 0 less than a less than 1. 0 less than a, 0 less than 1. These two are separate conditions. Sir, do one video on logarithm concepts, sir. So logarithmic concepts we are using only product and division only. Remaining not necessary. Okay, na? Remaining not necessary. For logarithm, three conditions is there. Please reverse this. Reason. Here, one condition, A should be lies between below 1. Below 1, the graph is like this one. The graph is like this one. Inequality will be changes. The graph is like this one means inequality will be changes. Okay, na? So greater than 1, like this one only. Greater than 1, like this one only. So inequality never be changed. So here is inequality never be changed, greater than 1. So inequality will be changes. Okay, na? Right. Here in logarithm, what concepts is needed, that I will write. Only three concepts is needed for us. What are the three concepts I will write? Logarithm of m, logarithm of base and number both are equal. Its value is 1. First concept. And second concept is logarithm of m power of n base a. N comes before log m base a. Third concept is logarithm of m into n product formula, log m plus log n, log m plus log n, division formula. Fourth, this is the third, second one, division formula, log m by n. So that is the log m minus log n. Only these concepts are necessary for us, remaining not necessary in logarithm for us. Okay, na? It is intersecting x-axis at 1, but condition is greater than 1. Okay, here is intersecting at 1. Very good. Very beautiful question. He will be asking the intersecting at 1. As x values are not tell the conditions. X value never tell condition. I am telling the condition about a value. A condition only I am telling, base condition only I am telling. X values is the 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever they am not telling about the X values. So understand, I am telling the condition for base only. I am telling about the condition for base, not for X. Point is understand, huh? Right. So these only values, base number are equal, value is 1. Power is there, power comes before in logarithm. Product means in sum we can represent. Division means minus will represent. That is the condition. Okay, na? Logarithmic function is completed. Now, exponential function. Everyone see exponential function. Exponential function. Exponential function. These all are come in the derivatives and limits. Exponential function, e power of x, a power of x. Power is x, that is called exponential function. So power is, so y is equal to a power of x. Y is equal to a power of x. Okay, na? Y is equal to a power of x. This is called power. The x belongs to R. This is called power index. Power index. Base is, what is the base is? Base must be taken as a two conditions. What are the two conditions? Is A is greater than 1 and A is less than 1. A is greater than 1 and a same condition base. 0 less than A less than 1. Base never be. And base is greater than 1. Two conditions will take about the base, but not for x. Not for x. We are taking the base only. We are taking the base only. Exponential function is a greater than 1. I will draw the figure also in the class. A greater than 1, like this only it will be formed. Okay, na? Like this one, it never touch the x-axis. Never touch the x-axis. So A is less than 1, reverse order it will be formed. A is less than 1, it will form as a reverse order. A is less than 1 and greater than 0. That is the reverse order will form, but never touch the x-axis. It never touch the x-axis. It never touch the x-axis. Okay, na? This is called exponential function. I will take 2 power of x and I will draw the figure also in class. Okay, na? Exponential function. Okay, na? Exponential function means a power of x, e power of x, 2 power of x, 3 power of power is the x. It is called as a exponential function. Okay, na? Right. Next one.